Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, I thought I gave first lesson notes to you, but I did not give first lesson notes to you, and I started second lesson by mistakenly. So now I am sending first lesson notes in this video. Okay children? So after completing this first lesson notes, you keep a by seeing this first lesson notes, you keep a white pages notebook for computer notes and write these notes in that book. Okay, what is our first lesson? Evolution of computers. Okay children, so see page number 13. You see children, page number 13. In that there are multiple choice answer questions are there, no? Answer time. In that answer time, a section, in this section there are multiple choice questions are there. Now we will do this. Okay children, so tick the correct option. What is the first blank? Where was the first calculating device abacus developed? What is the answer? Is in China. Okay children, next, who developed Mark 1? What is the answer? Howard H. Aiken. Okay. And what is the third question answer? The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. Next, a fourth generation computer is IBM PC. The last one, the fifth generation computers are artificial intelligence, related to artificial intelligence computers. So children, this is about the multiple choice question and answers. Next, see section B, fill in the blanks. So what is the first blank? We will see. The dash computer is very different from the early machines that were invented for doing calculations. First generation computer. Okay. Next, Surgeon Napier developed a calculating device called Napier bones in 1616. So what is the answer? Napier bones. Okay. And next, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical dash in the year 1642. What is that? Pascaline. Next, dash device takes long time to start up. Mark 1 device. Okay. Next, some examples of third generation computers are IBM 360 series and 370 series. IBM 360 series and 370 series. So these are about the fill in the blanks. Next, see children, question and answers. So I will mark question and answers in textbook only. You write that question and answers from textbook. Okay. So see what is the first question. Section C, answer the following questions. What is the first question? Describe the device abacus. For this question, answer is in see page number 5. Page number 5, last paragraph is there, no? Abacus. From here onwards, side heading also you should write abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations. It was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. It was able to do subtraction and addition only, up to here, and addition only in page number 6, first line, and addition only up to here. You should write the first question answer. From where onwards? Page number 5, last paragraph, abacus, and from here onwards page number 6, see first line and addition only up to here. Okay, and see what is the second question. What is the second question? Name the machine developed by Sir John Napier. Write a few lines about it. For this question, see page number 6. Page number 6, second paragraph is there, no? Napier bones. You should write side heading also. From here onwards, the end of this paragraph, that is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Up to here you should write. This is the second question answer. Okay children, from Napier bones onwards to here division. Okay. Next, see what is the third question. Name the two machines developed by Charles Babbage. For this question answer children, see page number 7. Here is there no difference engine, analytical engine. Difference engine, analytical engine. You should write these two down by down. Okay, this is the third question answer. Next, what is fourth question? List the drawbacks of the first generation computer. For this, see page number 9. Here is there no page number 9. Limitations of first generation computers. From here onwards to these four points you should write. Their potential to be programmed for tasks was quite limited. Up to here you should write. This is the fourth question answer. Next, see what is the fifth question. List the characteristics of the second generation computers. For this fifth question answer children, see page number 9 only. Last paragraph, second generation computers. From here onwards to see page number 10. Page number 10, second paragraph. They included all the components, printer, storage capacity, disk storage, operating system, etc. Up to here fifth question answer. Okay children. Next, what are the main features of modern computer? What is the sixth question? What are the main features of modern computers? For this question, you should keep heading characteristics of computers. From here onwards, only you write only headings. Don't write this explanation. Okay. Characteristics of computers. From here, a typical modern computer has the following characteristics. Up to here you write first. After that, only first point, speed. Second point, accuracy. No need to write explanation. Just you write side headings only. Speed, accuracy. Next, see page number 12. Storage capacity, third point. Fourth point, reliability. Fifth point, versatility. And sixth point, reduction in manpower. Only you write side headings. No need to write this explanation. So this is the sixth question answer. Okay, what is the sixth question answer? Just in page number 11. Characteristics of computer on from here onwards to up to here characteristics. After that you just write 1. Speed, 2. Accuracy, 3. Storage capacity, 4. Reliability, 5th. Versatility, 6th. Reduction in manpower. Okay children, this is about the question and answers. Next, see page number 14. Hearts you see children. You must have learned that computers can operate machines. Okay, we learned already computer operate machines. Can you name 2 factories where they could do this? Any 2 factories where the machines will work by using the computers. So which factories we will use? So many. AC machines, televisions factory, and all factories. Any 2 factories you can write. Chocolate factory, biscuit factory. Any 2 factories you can write. There the machines also works with computers only. Okay. Next, see activity time. What is here given? Some pictures are given, no? So we should recognize this picture and we should write the names. Okay. Name these devices. The first one is microprocessor chip. This picture. Next, this one Pascaline. This one is analytical engine. This one is laptop. This one is abacus. Okay, children. Next, lab work you see. Talk to your teacher about the computer for school and find out the generation to which they belong. 4th generation computers we are using in our lab. The speed of the computers are very fast. The RAM is 2 GB we are using. The storage capacity of hard disk drive is 500 GB. So this is about lab work. Next is discussion time. Discuss the topic robots will conquer a man. Conquer means here meaning overcome. Conquer means what? Overcome. Means robots will overcome man in future. On this topic we should discuss. But here we are not together, no. So I am changing this question. Just you do one thing. Write an essay on this topic. Robots will overcome man in future. On this topic you should write an essay. So this is about the answers of the first lesson questions. Okay. So children, how you should write this lesson in notes? Keep a white pages notebook for computer notes and first put heading number 1, evolution of computers. After that you write tick the correct option and write these 5. Next, blanks. Put heading and write blanks. Next, put heading question and answers and write question and answers. Next, put heading hearts and write this question and write these 2 answers. Next, no need to write any activity time. Leave this. Lab work also no need to write. Leave this. At last you write discussion time. At last you write discussion time and write discuss the topic robot will conquer man in your class. Write this question and write 5 points of this topic. Robots will conquer man in future. About this topic you write any 5 points. Means in future robots will dominate the man. Means nowadays so many factories, manpower is decreasing, that work is doing robots. Means mans are losing their jobs. Okay, like that so many works which man are doing, those are replacing with robots. So how that these robots are overcoming these man, you should write any 5 points on this topic. So this is the notes of the first lesson. Okay children. So write these notes. If you are having any doubt, please call to me to my personal number. Okay children. We will continue the second lesson in next class. In this class, today's homework is complete this notes. First lesson notes complete. Okay. Now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.